Hey everyone! Yes, this is another video. I've got the same makeup on. I just filmed a review on the Luminous Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Now I'm gonna do my face makeup and I want to share with you the amazing secret of highlighting under your foundation using, wait for it, New Artist Cosmetics Dapper Drops. This brand is focused on people who need recognition, who need help with their makeup, who just started their makeup, and they just do anything to support you, to get you growing and help you make something out of your makeup. Yeah, this is my foundation routine and let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna prime using the Pixi Beauty Rose Flash Balm. I love to use this one because my face looks sticky and it makes the foundation stick real well on your face. Now that we've primed our face, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty foundation in shade Custard. I'm gonna put some on my hand like this. I'm just gonna dab it like this on my face. Now that we have done this, I'm gonna use the shade Newbie from New Artist Cosmetics Dapper Drops. It's a really pretty like purplish shade and it definitely helps brighten up your face because, you know, purple makes a dull face brighten again, and it definitely helps me when I use it on my face. So I'm just gonna dab it like everywhere on my face. Also these Dapper, they are amazing because it's quite thick. You don't need much because it highlights your freaking whole face like you're a disco ball, and it doesn't make your skin oily or greasy or sticky and all that thing. It's really just a great formula for my skin at least, and it really brings out the prettiness of my skin. So yeah, I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender, and actually no, it's not damp, it's on the edge because I don't like using wet damp beauty blenders. I almost always leave it to dry out and I like applying it with that, so don't hate me on that. So yeah, I'm gonna blend it out, and as you can see it doesn't dry out on your skin, so it can be blended with the foundation really well. So yeah, now that we have covered all our flaws, let's cover more flaws with concealer. I'm just kidding, I'm just gonna highlight my face because this foundation of Huda covered everything already. Okay, so my battery died, so I couldn't film my highlighting. Anyways, I just highlighted underneath my eyes on my, what's it called, chin? On my chin and on my forehead, so it gives that dimension in your face. And now I'm setting my face with the loose powder from Catrice. It's my favorite powder. So yeah, when I'm done, I'm gonna use my NYX powder contouring palette, and I'm gonna use this shade as well as this shade to create a more dimensional thing, you know, contour. I'm gonna start with this shade right here and just contour it with it. Now that we have done that, I'm gonna use this darker shade and just define my contour like this. And now you've got that sharp as fuck up. And also I'm gonna contour my hairline and forehead because I really think my forehead is too big, so I just want to make it look a bit smaller. Okay, so now that we are cut to the gods, we're gonna highlight, of course. But first I'm gonna just apply my lashes because I it's fucking annoying to see me without lashes like this. First of all, I'm gonna highlight my face with the new Artist Cosmetics Dapper Drops in shade Passionate. And I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones just to create that 3D shine, and which I love. Now I'm gonna use this brush. It's called the highlighter brush, but it's like a pretty flat brush, and I don't like to use it as a highlighter brush anymore. It's amazing for these liquid highlighters. I mean, look at this glow. Usually I'm not into liquid highlighters because it's hard to blend, and especially on top of powder products, it's just a mess makes it, but this one really does not do all of that. So that's why I like this one so much. So now that we've all been glowed up, I'm gonna use the Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. I mean, no words, it's just so gorgeous. And I'm gonna use this one to set the liquid highlighter with. I mean, wow, girl, isn't this gorgeous? I always like to set my liquid highlighters with a powder one, because you know, you always have to set your foundation and your concealer with a powder. And I like to do that as well with liquid highlighters, just so it doesn't move anywhere. Isn't it gorgeous? I know. So now that we have done that, I'm gonna put on a bit of blush so we can melt all of my highlighter and contour together and make it be flawless as fuck. For that, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Golden Sands highlighter, and because this pen fell out, I'm still holding it like that. I'm gonna use the blush shade, and with the blush shade I'm gonna use a stippling brush because I like the way it blends everything out nicely and it applies the powder smoothly, and I love to use this brush for blush. So now that we have done that, I'm gonna go to the lips. Today I'm going for the Pixi Beauty Matte Last Liquid Lip in the shade Evening Rose. I love this shade, and these lips are amazing. They smell good, they are long lasting, they are matte, and they hydrate your lips really nice. So as you can see, I'm the worst at applying lipstick because it sucks. But that's because I never actually wear it that much. So now that we are done, there's only one step left, and that is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I always like to shake it because I don't know why. I just shake it, and does it say? Yeah, it does say you should shake it, so that's why I'm shaking it. So you shake it, and then you mist it on your face like crazy. And we're done. So you make it dry and look at the highlighter pop again. Girl. Okay, so now that you have seen my foundation routine, please let me know if you're gonna do the same or if you do already the same. And also please tell me what I could change, because my makeup is like probably not your makeup, because I thought it myself. I don't know any rules, I just do whatever the fuck I want. No, but if you have any tips what I could improve on, just tell me, let me know in the comments, because I love to learn new tips and tricks. So yeah, please subscribe, because if you are subscribed, you can also click on that bell thing and it will let you know whenever I make a new video. Maybe also leave a comment, because I love leaving comments. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Isn't my makeup look amazing? I know it is. Bye now.